The girls were not lying when they said mini braids will grow your hair. This ancient hairstyle is not just a form of identity, art, and communication, it is also used to express beauty, creativity, and spirituality. Also, it is used to grow the hair. You're going to learn how to grow your hair 2 times the length of your hair in this video using mini braids. I'm going to be teaching you how to install and how to maintain your hair while on mini braids. The psalm of the day is, "Be exalted, O God, above the heavens. Let your glory be all over the earth." Psalms 57 verse 5, NIV version. Welcome to the channel, and today let me start by telling you everything I'll be using. This is the rat tail comb that I'll be using to part my hair. It is very useful. Also, I have some scrunchies. These are just 2 that I have, but I have more than that. I'm also going to be showing you some hair ties that I use. This is Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner that I also use. This is a herbal hair butter that I made, and a hair growth oil, Ayurvedic herbal hair growth oil that I also made. I will be using all of that in this video. You want to start with freshly washed hair. Okay, let's do some length check before we start. This is the length of my hair right now, and this is so much progress considering that the last time I made mini braids my hair wasn't as long as this. If you want to see the last mini braids that I did, I'm going to be tagging it in this video in the description box, or you can just click on the playlist and you will find it there. You find out that there was a lot of difference. Okay, there is actually a lot of difference. Parted my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to be using 4 sections, and if you're a beginner, please, I want to encourage you to start from the back so that before you get to the front you would have already gotten used to the technique and you'll be very good at braiding your own hair. Okay, make sure to part in the sizes that you're okay with. For me, I'm going with this size because my hair is fine, it is not thick. So if I make any other part that is smaller than this, it is going to be very, very thin. I intend to use this hair to check my hair growth, so I'll be keeping it for 7 weeks. So I don't want to make it very tiny, neither do I want to make it very big, because I also run a 9 to 5 job. So I want to make it presentable that I can also use to take out. Okay, so that's basically everything about it. For the install, divide your hair into three strands and begin to weave it like you're weaving a mat or a basket. Just go over it strand by strand and over and over. You can also do the under braid, it is also the same thing. Make sure to braid down, and when you get to the tip, apply some hair butter or hair oil to seal in the moisture that you have applied. Okay, or to seal the ends of the hair. You can also twirl the ends of the hair, or you can also twist if you cannot braid down to the tip. That's basically the technique that we're going to be using. I'm going to tell you the history of mini braids because as someone who is here to learn about mini braids, it is important to know the roots of mini braids and the origin. Mini braids, sometimes called micro braids or thread-like braids, trace their origin back to ancient African civilizations, particularly in regions like West Africa, East Africa, and the Horn of Africa. In many African cultures, braiding hair was and still is much more just a beauty routine. It was a form of identity, art, and communication. Mini braids were often worn by women to represent tribal identity, indicate age, marital status, or social rank, and express beauty, creativity, and spirituality. Different ethnic groups had variations of small, intricate braids. For instance, Yoruba, Igbo, and Fulani people in West Africa wore delicate, detailed braids that sometimes resembled what we now call mini braids. The Himba women of Namibia and Ethiopian tribes also wore fine thin braids, often coated with natural oils and clay for protection and shine. In ancient times, braiding was a communal activity. Women and sometimes men would sit together for hours, braiding each other's hair, sharing stories, songs, and wisdom. This tradition built bonding and sisterhood, which is still reflected today when people braid their own hair in homes and salons. This is how far I have come, and this is 2 hours later. I have made all the back sections. I'm going to proceed to the front now. When Africans were taken across the world through slavery, they carried their hair braiding traditions with them. Over time, styles evolved and merged with new influences. Okay, and so that is how the technique of mini braids became very, very popular. In present day today, mini braids are loved worldwide, not just for their cultural depth, but also for their practical benefits. Here are some benefits of mini braids. They are lightweight, they promote length retention, they require little daily manipulation, and celebrate the beauty of natural textured hair. They also give access to the scalp, they are lightweight, versatile, and they can be worn for a long time, for 6 to 8 weeks. Also, they are perfect for growth. For the maintenance, moisturize regularly. Okay, use a spray bottle with water, leave-in conditioner, and a few drops of oil 2 to 3 times a week to prevent dryness. Oil your scalp, sleep with protection like bonnet or satin or silk scarf at night. This helps your braids to be neat and prevents frizz. Avoid product buildup. Do not keep it for too long. Be gentle when taking them down. For styling, style them in any style you can and rock your mini braids. You see? So that's basically everything about mini braids. And right now, I'm at the last braid. I'm getting to the end of my braids already. Yes. So I've given you the history of mini braids. I've also told you how to install it and how to maintain it. I've also told you the benefits of mini braids. Mini braids are very, very good. They are very good hairstyle for hair retention and hair growth. They are very good hairstyle for hair retention and hair growth. This is how it's looking like right now, and honestly, I love what I made. This is 4 hours later, and that's one of the things that discouraged me when I wanted to start. Mini braids take much longer time to install, unlike mini twist. Okay, and this is because I didn't even make it mini. I mean, this is like midi, not mini, but to me, it looks like mini. Also, I'm already used to making my hair. Imagine I wasn't used to making my hair. This would have taken me a longer time, probably a day or more than 2 days. I'm just trying to oil my scalp with some hair butter and some hair oil because I intend to grow my hair using this. So I want to make sure that my moisture routine is a game, you guys. So if you want to see how this will end up, please follow me, subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section. I'm going to be dropping updates on how my hair looks every 2 weeks. Okay, so you don't want to miss that at all. Also, I'm going to be telling you the different things I'll be doing while I keep this hairstyle on during the 7 weeks, what and what I'll be doing. So ladies, please support your girl, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe. Welcome to the family. This helps to reach other girls out there, and by doing so, you are supporting me. These are the few styles that I made. Look at how cute they look. You girls, you can actually go out with your mini braids also. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll keep you posted. See you in the next one. Bye, darlings.